So let's go ahead and solve for this question here first. Okay, so we're trying to solve for when a triangle has, I'm just going to draw a right angle triangle. Okay, it's not super accurate, but all I know is that I'm going to have an A, a B, and a C. The C is opposite to the right angle triangle. So I have here, it says A is 12, so 12, B is 5. Now again, this isn't accurate, right? Because this seems a little bit longer than the A, so I should have switched this, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, we're just trying to find C. So what we're going to do is we're going to go A squared plus B squared equals C squared, and then we're going to plot these in. 12 squared plus 5 squared equals C squared. And then you're going to solve this. 12 times 12, 144. Plus 5 times 5, 25. And then when you solve for this, you're going to get a number, and you're going to square root it, both sides, and you will get an answer. Okay, so whatever that answer is, you're going to put that in here. So now let's go ahead and do number 10, because this is going to be an odd question. It says find the length of the missing side. Okay, once again, exact same thing. The triangle here, right angle triangle. We have a C, an A, and a B. But in this case, it tells us what the A is, but it doesn't tell us what the B is. It tells us what the C is. So C is 10, A is 8, and B, we don't know. So what are we going to do? Well, we're going to use Pythagorean theorem again. Okay, but this time we know what A is. Oops, daisy. What's going on here? Oh, I was messing up here. Computer's running a little slow, glitchy. Okay, so we know what A is. It's 8 squared. We don't know what B is, so we leave that blank. And then we do know what C is. C is 10 squared. So in order to solve this, we need to rearrange this algebraically. So what does that mean? It means that we need to get rid of this on this side. So in order to do that, well, let's solve it first. 8 times 8 is 64 plus B squared equals 10 times 10, 100. So we want to get rid of this 64. So in order to get rid of it, we need to, it's an addition, right? We're adding 64. In order to get rid of it, we subtract 64 from both sides. All right. So now, if you don't believe me when I say that, what you can always remember is just this little fact. B squared equals 100 minus 64. Here's the trick. When you know C, okay, let's just use a color again. When you know C, you always subtract. Okay, you use the hypotenuse and you subtract. If you don't know C and you're using these, then you're going to add. Okay, so that's a little trick. If you do know the C, you're going to subtract one of these numbers. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So we did that. 100 minus 64. B squared is going to be whatever that is. Just so happens to be 36. Square root both sides, and you'll get your answer. B equals square root of 36, and you put that in there. All right.